Mountains, talent, play, and fun. Join hands and hearts and voices, voices, hearts and hands. At Kellerman's our friendships last long as the mountain stands. Okay, everybody, we're at Kellerman's Resort here in the Catskill Mountains, and we're having another good summer up here, having fun and partying and playing. And Pat's our entertainment director, aren't you, Pat?
Yeah, I'm in charge of bingo, ping pong, parties, finals, Monopoly finals. We got mambo dancing over in the cafeteria.
Hey, you know, if you're into any of that, head to the door right
Yeah,
now.
head to the door because we're going to be dancing in this room. No Parcheesi here.
Yes, come back with us to 1963, when falling in love was just as easy as learning to dance.
And falling in dance is just as easy as learning to love.
Do you love me? 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 Now that I can dance. Watch me now. Well, work it out, baby. I said you're driving me crazy. With a little bit of soul. Yeah, look at me dance. I can mash potato. Mash potato. I can do the twist. Do the twist. Well, tell me, baby. Tell me, baby. How do you like it like this? Like it like this. Say, tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Do you love me? I can really move. Do you